Well, hello everybody. It's Bobby from Bobby's Hobbies. We're down on the layout, and what do we have here? We have a 210 steam engine. Looks like it could be Pennsylvania. Let's pull it out a little bit. Now, I had done some work on it in the past. It seems like it's in running order, but it is a large rigid frame. I don't think this is Mantua. I don't think they made that. It could be a Bowser. You know, who knows? You know, Bowser Penn line. That's my guess. Could it be something else? Absolutely. I just don't know. Let's see if she can make it around. I'm giving it a little bit of juice because, oh, this is dangerous on those tracks. Well, she made it around. The whole idea of this layout was to try to provide generous. Oh, see, she got stuck. Now let's go over there and see what's happening. Could be not that bad. Gee, I had this long reacher, and I don't know where it is right now. Probably just, you know, unable to. So many things to trip over here. It's incredible. Oh, she. Could be a short. The wheels are on the right side. Don't know. Let's take it back. Well, we popped the top off. Here's the top, and this thing weighs a ton. And just so you know, one screw bolt comes out of the chimney, and it's very long. Did that off camera. And another bolt, short, comes off the back and the bottom there. So let's put this off on the side, and I guess we're gonna tap it with a little oil on that to start. Now I'm not sure if it's the bindings, if it's binding rather on the side rods and the eccentrics. It's kind of weird. See, it's got a pressure there. Not good. Not good at all. Yep. So when you see that happening, you gotta look close and say, okay, it's not really binding, or it wouldn't work at all. Is that piece loose? No. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is oil up all of these side rods, and I'll be back. Okay, I just tapped these with this. Unfortunately, I didn't hit the go button on the camera. That was great, but we have to do the other side. So maybe I could show you that side. All right. Well, here we got our locomotive back. We got the top on again. The screws went back in through here and up and through there. There's two screws holding it on. lubricated it, but something tells me this locomotive is not ready for prime time and needs more of a thorough analysis and evaluation and breakdown. But see, now it's got a giddy up to it that it didn't have before. I'm going to see if it runs out. It was running smoother before. It's starting to sound a little better. Nope, locked up again. So what I think is there's some fine tuning that needs to be done in that running gear. Don't have time to do it now, but that's the problem. Something in the side rods are binding.